Hey guys, this is our first/second vlog thingy. Okay, yeah, second. But we're actually doing stuff today. I can go goofy. Dude, why is that thing so fast? Okay, I'm gonna switch so I'm not goofy right now. Ben, give me I'm a king of the world. I'm a king of the world! See, it takes me more time to get started, but once I'm on the board, I just fly. Liam, say hi to the camera! Liam's good. Just to mention, got these folding orange Wayfarer Ray-Bans. Very nice. Hi. These guys are nice. Nice people. Nice people in Ventura. Alright, so we are filming at 2K, which is a 1440p resolution on the front-facing camera shooter thingy on my Galaxy S7. I would switch to the 4K shooter on the back, except then I can't, like, I don't have a monitor. Kinda sucks. We're going to some spot in Ventura where we're gonna skate around, I guess. So yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Show the camera. Oh yeah. At the spot, I brought a high-strength HDMI cable, and we're gonna try and tow people on the fake boosted board. And I'm going to also try and save up for a real belt-driven boosted board, not one of these hub motor ones. Camino Real Park. And hi. Okay. Speed limit of 15. I'm gonna break it right now. We're at 18, 18, 20! Yeet! Oh, it's fucking bumpy. Oh. Dude, that's rough. That's rough. At this park, and there's a rope swing. Okay, Ben, do you think you can rope swing and hold the phone?
What? Yeah, maybe.
Yeah?
We're above water now. There's very small amounts of water.
It's waterproof.
Oh, okay.
Just be careful. Don't drop it.
It's just not super proof.
Just don't drop it.
Deja vu!
Ben, are you taking a piss?
Oh, he's putting it right through his scoop. No, he's adding to the scoop. Yeah, no, he would.
I don't trust myself. Ben.
What?
Say hi. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm gonna go pee.
Nice.
In a public area? Yeah.
Ride it and hold like a camera. Hold it like that. That's good.
I do not let go! one that's like, hey, little shits like you for breakfast.
You piece of shit for breakfast.
Who hasn't seen Happy Gilmore? I mean, like, the movie's amazing.
Such a good
Ben sucks.
Oh, my teeth. Woo! Oh, that's the part that sucks.
When you run into
when you run into that shit.
Alright.
No, I hit my feet first.
No, I gotta show you.
It didn't really hurt.
I gotta show you noobs how to do it. You gotta grab both.
Both of them?
And then
Ben, put
I
your
hurt my balls.
sit on the one so
I
that you
hurt my
don't
balls many much.
fuck yourself
Hold
up.
on, I'm gonna go down more.
Yeah, I would, yeah. That shit, whatever.
I hurt my balls and they hurt really bad.
That didn't work, did it, Ben?
I don't want to talk about it.
Ben, maybe hold it out like that.
Yeah, Ben, hold it out like that.
That'd be the first thing we like lose the supplement.
That was pretty.
Fuck all of y'all.
Or in your pants? Yes. In your pants?
Yes.
Okay, great. Has the camera in his pants, which sounds absurd, but he's going to swing and use the camera. We tried doing it in the 4K shooter on the back because it looked way better, but I kept touching the capacitive buttons on the S7, so the video kept stopping. So we're gonna try like that.
Thank you, man.
Oh! Did it break?
Yeah.
I was trying to bend out of the way of Scott's thing.
Okay, so it's your fault.
Oh.
All right, so in the process of Ben trying to use the pants cam, he broke the selfie stick. It's not his fault. It's a $5 stick. I don't blame him at all. So we have a super mutilated, fucking fucked up stick. So now I'm holding the end of it, and this is how we're gonna vlog. And now we have a now we have a baton. So.
That's gonna be useful.
All right, so now we are on ghetto pod thing, end of selfie stick thing. This is how wide the shot's gonna be from now on. I can't make it any wider. Sorry guys. I will be ordering a better selfie stick next time that isn't $6 from China. This time we'll do $10 from China. So we are at the dog park, and we might go say hi to dogs. I don't know. Are we going in?
Yeah, let's do this and then it's
Okay.
This puppy's great, dude. Sit on it. And everyone. Oh.
We're like getting busy friendly. Eyes are so pretty.
Oh, dude, that dog was
Eyes are so pretty.
Oh, so fluffy, so soft.
I'm a ninja. I do parkour. Come on, Blake. No, fuck you. Nope.
Why do they all run to you immediately?
They all smell my dog.
Oh yeah. Oh, I know you fucking. Hey, anybody want a piece of ball? Anyone?
I'm gonna be honest, I do this sometimes.
Oh, this is a
alone.
good shot.
I'll just come and pet dogs.
This is a nice shot, dude. The colors on this dog are amazing. Dude, they look. Dude, this dog looks amazing in 4K.
Oh, what a good boy in 4K. Can you edit in a counter of dog's pet?
Okay, yeah, we'll do that. Okay, guys, by the time this video is edited, you will see a counter right here. No, right here. Here of how many dogs we pet on this expedition.
Oh, sorry, he's not mine. No, this is Becky. And I took up the other ones now.
Pretty dog.
They belong to this
Oh,
family over here.
You're a very cute dog.
Bandit, of course. I forgot.
Right, hold on. Ankle biter.
Say hi, Ben. seriously, this is one of the most beautiful boards I've ever seen someone make, except the grape tip. The grape tip. I love grape tip. The grip tape job is disgusting.
Hey, look,
I know.
The board is circumcised.